Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to use the Applicant's building block in Google Docs to set up a hiring tracker. First, open your document in Google Docs on your desktop web browser. Click on the exact position on your page where you want to insert your applicant tracking table. Type the @ symbol on your keyboard to open the Smart Insert drop-down menu layout. Scroll down to the Building Blocks section or type @Applicants into the search bar. Click directly on Applicants or your desired candidate tracker from the drop-down results list. Google Docs will instantly insert a structured hiring table equipped with pre-formatted columns for applicant name, role, status, resume link, and interview notes. Click inside the applicant name cells and type candidate names or use the @ symbol to attach contact smart chips if they are internal applicants. Click on the interactive status drop-down chips inside any table cell to quickly update hiring stages such as screened, interview scheduled, offer extended, or rejected. Click inside the resume link cells and type the @ symbol to link Google Drive files, PDFs, or external portfolios directly into the table. Type the @ symbol inside any text cell to tag interviewers using Contact Smart Chips or select calendar dates for interview schedules. Right-click inside any row or column to add or delete cells to customize your hiring pipeline layout. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.